వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. సవై పుంసాం పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తిరధోక్షజ అహైతిక్యా ప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయ చక్షురున్మీలితం ఏన తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః. సవై పుంసా పరో ధర్మ యతో భక్తి అధోక్షజే అహైతికి అప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. ఎపిసోడ్ 6. So his mind is a servant of Krishna, is completely fixed on Krishna's lotus feet. That is called as bhakti. Bhakti is not just as a number of different things as we do, hearing, chanting and so on. So, how should that bhakti should perform? In order to get full satisfaction of the heart, suprasidati, it should be ahaitiki apratihata. Ahaitiki means there should be no material cause. I am not trying to develop my relationship with Krishna so that he will give me something which will in turn to separate from him. I am trying to connect with him through what is Mishra Bhakti. Mishra Bhakti is I want the relationship with Krishna. How? I want to be well. I want freedom from the stress. I want good relatives, I want good friends, but I will go to Krishna for all these things. When I get this, what I do? I forget Krishna. Pure bhakti is different. Pure bhakti is I want my relationship with Krishna regardless of anything else. In spite if I have friends, they are only meaningful to extend this. That increases my relationship with Krishna. If I have money, it is only meaningful as long as it increases my relationship with Krishna. Nadanam najanam nasundarim kavitam va jagadisha kamaye మమ జన్మని జన్మని ఈశ్వరే భవతాత్ భక్తి రహైతికి త్వయి. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ మెటీరియల్ కాజ్ దట్ మోటివేటింగ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెటీరియల్ కాజ్? ద మెటీరియల్ ఈజ్ దట్ విచ్ మేక్స్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్ విత్ కృష్ణ. ఐ am not approaching you, my dear Lord. I remember, my dear Krishna, you are very great. You are the creator of this entire world. You have all opulences. You are Sarva Shaktiman. You establish all your energies. You have all kinds of potencies. Please give me this. Please give me that, so that I can enjoy. What is their enjoyment? Forgetting you. I remember you very intently to forget you. This is Mishra Bhakti. Pure Bhakti is opposite. I am remembering you more regardless of whatever conditions may be there. Ahaitiki. It should also be apratihata. That means this is not to be great in developing our relationship with Krishna. Even our sleeping should such that it improve our relationship with Krishna. Our eating, our talking with each other, everything should improve our conscious awareness. I am eternal servant of Krishna. Mishra Bhakti is not transcendental because the very fact that You sometimes forgetting Krishna means temporary. Transcendental things cannot be temporary. They have to be eternal. Therefore, ahaitiki must go with apratihata. You can't have ahaitiki only without apratihata. Because if it is apratihata, there is wastage of time. There have gaps. There is ahaitiki. Misra Bhakti cannot actually be transcendental. And it will not give you satisfaction of the heart. So the question is that what will give you satisfaction of the heart? Anything other than Suddha Bhakti will not give you satisfaction of the heart. Yayatma suprasidati. Next, how to develop the relationship with Krishna? What is the practical approach for developing our relationship with Krishna? In other words, the consciousness awareness of our position as eternal servant, how to use our free will in his service, which is only our property. We do not have any other property. The only property that we have is free will. Everything else is his property. We are his property. He has given us the free will as our property to be used in his service. How to satisfy Krishna? So, Savaipamsa paro dharmo yito bhakti radokshaje ahaitiki apratihata yayatma suprasidati. We are focusing on yayatma suprasidati. That will give us full satisfaction of the heart. Suprasidati, that means there is no more want. Completely satisfied. Nothing can shake us. Nothing can tempt us. So that very transcendental position, how to achieve that state. So we discussed parodharma, nivritti marga. The word dharma, sometimes it is translated as religion. Srila Prabhupada more or less is always translates as occupation. What is the engagement of the soul? The engagement of the soul is the service to the Supreme Lord. He is eternal, Nitya Das, Jivera Swarupahai, Krishnera Nitya Das. It is his relationship that is sustained by Krishna. Actually, when we say maintenance, what is Krishna maintaining? Krishna is maintaining our relationship. And sometimes he may have to destroy a particular universe or particular body to maintain that relationship. Because this body is making an impediment to connect with him more deeply. So therefore this body should be finished. Another body should be given. This is what Krishna maintained. Our sustenance depends on our relationship with Krishna. An activity that increases our relationship with Krishna, that is called nivritti marga. An activity that increases our relationship with the body and gets more and more bodies, that is called pravritti marga. Even religiously following this. So we are looking for this intimacy. Everyone, even the impersonalists, they try for intimacy. They tried in wrong way, and therefore they concluded there is no possibility of such intimacy. So that is what impersonalists missed. Try for intimacy, because the nature of the soul is try for intimate relationship, because it is already exists in Krishna, and their intimacy is most continuously expressed as master and servant. Krishna is the master, Jiva is the servant. this is very mysterious, that this is most continual form of intimacy. We will continue in next episode. I stop here. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, निताई गौर प्रेमानंद। हरे हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण।